I will talk about how can you find your alerts on your Webull app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click your menu down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click it on settings, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on message settings, you just click on it here. Then you come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on price alert, just click on it here. You come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. So then you go down, just click here on my alerts, just click on it. So then here we find all alerts you have. Here's stock and here options, then here futures in crypto. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.